Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to add a Cloudflare domain to Netlify. This is a crucial step if you want to connect your custom domain that's managed through Cloudflare to your Netlify hosted site, giving your project a professional web address. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.netlify.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready to access your Netlify dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your Netlify dashboard. Now look over to the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. Click on Projects. This section displays all the sites and projects you've deployed on Netlify. From here, browse through your list and select the specific project where you want to add your Cloudflare domain. Click on it to open the project settings. Once you're inside your selected project, direct your attention back to the left panel. Here you'll see several management options related to your site. Look for and click on Domain Management. This is where you'll handle all domain-related configurations for this particular project, including adding new domains or managing existing ones. In the Domain Management section, you'll find an option that says Add a Domain. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear with different domain options. From these choices, select Add a Domain you already own. This option is specifically for connecting domains that you've already registered and own through other services like Cloudflare, rather than purchasing a new domain through Netlify. Now you'll see a field where you can input your domain name. Take your Cloudflare domain and paste it directly into this field. Make sure the domain is spelled correctly and includes the proper extension. Once you've pasted it in, click Verify. Netlify will then check the domain and begin the process of connecting it to your project. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the process of adding your Cloudflare domain to your Netlify project, which will allow your site to be accessible through your custom domain. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.